With Trace's passion for baking
and Trevor's passion for classic cars, we both decided to quit our day jobs and buy a 60-year-old van and convert it into a mobile cake and coffee van.
Please subscribe and follow us on our journey while we trade at markets, fairs and events, alongside our regular pitch at a local farm shop.
And we'll also show you a bit of what we do in between trading.
Follow me out, down to the bay.
Unboxing?
Yeah.
What are you unboxing?
People love unboxing.
Yeah.
Car parts. My freshly varnished wood.
It's all lovely, isn't it?
Okay.
I'll film you shooting off.
Kiss away some of the hardness from those brief yet gloomy days. Wilderness.
Knitting challenge. What day is it today, Trace?
Saturday.
So Saturday. We skipped yesterday.
We didn't skip it.
Well,
went,
we skipped the intro, didn't we?
Yeah.
We've had a slow start, but we've got a few people knocking about now.
I'll tell you what we knitted challenge. One of our customers is a very avid knitter, very good. Easter rabbit. Just brought me some wool, some needles, and you have to knit it, and inside then you put a Cadbury's cream egg.
Brilliant.
So I'm going to have a go.
Okay. You realise this is being put on video now?
May not be very good at it, but I'll try.
All of fusion will never cease to thrill. Wilderness, we give you
about 1,000 bottles a year, something like that, a bit more than that. Because to turn each one 6 to 8 times a day.
That's
It's a
what I'll do.
full-time job.
Yeah.
Because you sort of put them upside down, it sticks to the cap, and then you have to quickly put another cap in and a bit of salt.
wilderness, we come for you. Like feathers in the wind, we dance along. No urge of acting strong.
Last day of the weekend done. Didn't really show you much this weekend, did we? But we have been very busy at home with our coffee station. This is going to be the new coffee unit. As you can see, it's like one of those real cheaply made 1960s units. I keep the original handles, so there's the handles. Now the top has got like a melamine top, and I was going to keep it, but it has got the black trim that goes around it has been rubbed down and painted white. It's going to be a lot of work trying to get this to look anything like, really, and it's also got a great big split in it down there. I've got another piece of furniture, old chest of drawers, and I've just taken the top off and cut it down to the same size, and this is nicely distressed, so I'm going to use this top on that unit. Wow, it's very pink, isn't it?
Could you bring some light to me, or just sit beside me and never leave? I got the curtains up. I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. It's a day like this
coffee station. We wanted to kill a few birds with one stone, didn't we?
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
So I'm sure a lot of people can relate to this. A growing amount of gifts that we've been given and things that we've made, little trinkets and treasures that we got nowhere really for them to go, and not enough space.
Never ever have enough space.
No. So last year I did our spare room, I turned it into the pantry for the kitchen. And
Which has been brilliant. Hasn't
yeah, it's worked really well.
Because we're buying everything in bigger quantities, it's our kitchen, as we've said so many times before, it's really tiny, and there was no way we could fit all these extra bits in the kitchen. So we've literally got a whole room now dedicated to it. I think we've said this before, haven't we? But it's brilliant because it's all shelved and everything's in its place. I can see what we've got. It works really well, doesn't it?
Yeah. And the other problem with the kitchen still is the fact that it's just not big enough really to do commercial catering from. It's barely big enough. Yeah.
It's only just about big enough to cook a dinner for 2 people, let alone run a business for it. But you know.
So I built a larder last year. I bought a double wardrobe actually and converted it into a larder, and then that houses the food for us to keep it separate from the baking side of things.
Yeah.
That's worked, which meant that we could then fit a third oven in the kitchen. So it's all oven now, and the worktop space.
That was very limited because we have all the mixers and the blender, and it's stuff I'm using every day. It's really heavy. I can't keep moving it around all the time. So we also had our coffee machine that we have at home in the kitchen. So we decided that if we could get rid of that out of the way, then that would mean I'd have that extra bit more space there to put the other mixer in, which would give me a whole worktop practically empty.
Yeah, if you're a 1970s child, you remember those puzzles that you saw the little tiles that you slid around. Yeah, and this is.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
Sorry, Siri. Siri's chipping in too.
Yes, we're being listened to all the time.
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
I told you.
What's going on? So anyway, basically we needed to make more room in the kitchen, and we're always trying to think of different ways to make the house work better. It's all we've ever done really, isn't it, here? But
sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Can't you turn that off, that bugging device? That government bug device.
I haven't asked him anything. Anyway, so we've done that. We've made the coffee station, put it into the conservatory, made a bit of a feature of it, hopefully. I think we have. Yeah,
and we've displayed a few bits that we've been given over the last couple of years.
Yeah.
So we've been given some lovely mugs by a couple of different potters, and we also had a lovely painting done of us working at the van.
Which is pretty special, isn't it? It's a one of a kind thing, and we needed to display it. And we spend nearly all our time sat around the table when we're not baking and running the business, so it was only right that we could see it really. In a good place. But we didn't have the wall space to put it on, so
we've got no wall space.
So we had to move the house around just to accommodate the picture. But we've done it now, and it's fitted in.
Oh, did you want to mention the?
Oh yeah, so I bought online. I also saw, because the theme was going to be green and pink, and I saw a picture online on Instagram by a company called Scandi Shed. We'll give you a little link. And they sell some really quirky stuff. The guy was ultra helpful, really chatty, wasn't he? It was brilliant. And we chose a print with espresso on it, and it's green, so it fits in really well. You'll see what I mean.
Yeah, put a link in the video description. And what else can we say? I'll miss something out.
No, our utility shelving thing.
Go on then, no you say, because where did we get that from?
So we got that from Cowshed Antiques, Hayley and Chris, who run their business alongside us at the Coombe Hill Farm Shop. They always have quirky stuff, don't they? And I spotted this, along with the green trunk that we bought ages ago, before Chris had even got out of the van, and then I spotted this shelving kind of unit thing coming in one day, and that was it. It was mine. Had to have it.
Ideal for storing.
Yeah, I thought it'd make great. We
yeah.
bought some. I can't find it, but we bought some jars.
Can't find them.
I need to find
Can't find anything.
We bought them ages ago. That's the trouble. And I'm going to put. I wanted to put like sugar cubes, and we've got some. You know, like the lovely biscuits that you have with your coffee.
Which we don't eat.
No, I'm going to put them in there and not eat them. And
Display purposes
like
only, folks.
And we're going to get some little S hooks, aren't we, to go onto the green shelving unit so we can hang some mugs and just make a bit of a nice thing of it. Hopefully.
Yes, it's nearly finished now. Well, as far as we're going to finish it, and we're just going to utilise the shelving.
We are going to decorate again.
We are going to, yeah. We've got to actually put a new roof on the conservatory because it's the original semi-translucent roof that's leaking. And
well, it's not leaking yet, but it will do.
Yeah, it is.
And it gets so hot in the summer,
Yeah.
so we're going to change that. I'm not sure if it's going to happen this year because we've got the garden project to do, but it will be happening.
Yeah, it will happen.
But we just wanted to get these pictures up.
Yeah, we got to get something. We got to get something done in the midst of the chaos of trying to operate a business 24/7. And yeah, Tracy hasn't done her hair for the video.
I have, but it's all stuck. Oh no, not for the video. I did comb I think this morning, but yeah.
And the other thing we wanted to hang up was these Christmas presents off Jack and Will. So I'll read Tracy's one out. Tracy is very lovely. She is as sweet as her cakes. William and Jack love her smile and all her yummy things she makes.
Aww.
So that's a present there
Really
of
sweet.
Jack and Will. I don't
What a
quite
fab
know.
Christmas present that was.
Yeah, and we got this other one as well.
So that Jack and Will are the boys, the young boys that
Yeah.
belong to Philip and Sam, who owned a farm shop.
From the farm shop, yeah. So this is. Oh, you read that one out.
Trevor is very clever, with cars, signs, and drinks. We love to see him every week with stories to make him think.
Yes, we have many conversations about quantum physics and time travel and things like that
Jack.
with Jack. Yeah, he's going to be the next Einstein
For sure.
for sure. Yeah.
But they were lovely,
yeah.
so we wanted to display those.
Yeah, we definitely wanted to display them, so they're going on the wall as well. Okay, I think we've said everything, and yeah, we're going to make a latte now.
Okay, sounds good. With a biscuit, if I fill the jar, we can fill that out. Can
Yeah.
They might not all fit in there, so we'll have to use some.
And once you start them, you can't stop them. That's the
No.
problem. Okay, well, until next time, we'll say
Bye for now.
bye-bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.
Trav, you're not eating those biscuits, are you?